Teddy is loving the snow. Teddy, look at him. He loves the snow. Teddy loves the snow. Where are you going, Teddy? Where are you going, Teddy? Teddy loves the snow. Look at him. He's never been in snow like this. Look at him. Whoa. He doesn't even know what to do. Come on, Teddy. How'd you get caught? Sorry, we're battling out with two dogs here. Two dogs. Rocco knows about the snow. He's lived in snow. This is Teddy's first snowstorm. Look at him. He knows how to play snow. Look at him. He's so excited. What is this, Teddy? Look at him. He's so excited. Come on, Teddy. You like the snow, Teddy? Look at Teddy loving the snow. This is Teddy loves the snow. Whoa! Teddy. Teddy's never been in this much snow. Oh my gosh, Ted. Teddy, you gotta make potty. Gotta make potty, Teddy. He's trying to interrupt. And there's Rocco. Rocco already knows how the snow works. This is Teddy. Teddy hasn't even peed yet because he doesn't know what to do. He doesn't know what to do, Teddy. Look at this. Piles of snow. Piles. Must already have a couple inches up. Look at this. Look at this. Teddy? Come on, Teddy. Teddy hasn't even pottied. Come on, Teddy. How's it going, Ted? How's it going, Teddy? You like the snow? Teddy's got his snow boots on. Come on, Teddy. Come on, Ted. Teddy's checking out the snow. Rocco knows already. This little boy, he knows. Teddy needs to make potty. Say potty, Teddy. And this is Teddy's first snowstorm in New York.